Hello everyone, I am Yashi Bhardwaj, currently pursuing Computer Science Engineering in Anand International College of Engineering in first semester. I am here to present Team Horizon and it's a true privilege to provide a solution on problem statement, groundwater resource evaluation using DWLR data. India draws 241 billion cubic meters of groundwater annually, which is highest in the world. 60% of irrigated agriculture and 85% of drinking water needs in India depends on groundwater. Without real-time monitoring, the overchecked and use creates a serious threat to the food and water security in India. Instead of seeing this problem as a challenge, we are seeing this as an opportunity to create a solution for farmers, researchers and policymakers. Our solution, Jaldhara, is a mobile application that fetches data from 5,260 DWLR, digital water level recorder stations across India. It fetches the data of water level fluctuations using interactive visualizations via maps, charts and trend lines. It also provides automated recharge estimation using water level fluctuations and machine learning models integrated with soil, rainfall and environmental data. It also provides decision support tools for farmers, researchers and policymakers which support sustainable groundwater management. Let me show you the prototype for a better understanding.
The user would need a login ID to use our app and would have the option to log in as a farmer, a researcher and a policymaker. Moving forward, you can see we have used color-coded indicators for quick interpretation. Green represents safe zones, yellow indicates semi-critical levels, orange marks critical groundwater conditions and red marks overexploited zones. Different assessment units are shown on the screen with the number of active DWLR stations. The time series analysis chart represents fluctuations in water levels over different periods, letting us study seasonal and rainfall-based variations. The data shown on the screen is directly fetched from DWLR stations, which continuously record groundwater levels. Each station location is displayed on the map, providing a spatial view of groundwater conditions across regions. The dashboard automatically updates as new data arrives, ensuring real-time monitoring. Our app provides customizable analytics and assumptions. That is, you can adjust specific yield value, that is simply the amount of usable water the soil can release, and you would get the data filtered accordingly. To make our predictions more accurate, you can select the method for recharge estimation, and to make our predictions more accurate, we integrate 3 machine learning models. One that studies rainfall, another that factors in soil type, and a third that adds environmental data like temperature and land use. Users can also view what-if scenarios such as different abstraction rates, rainfall patterns, or recharge methods. Abstraction means the groundwater withdrawal. By comparing abstraction with recharge, we can see whether groundwater is being used sustainably or overused. This helps in early detection of over-extraction and supports better water resource planning. Our app has cloud-based architecture with mobile-first design, which ensures scalable data storage and seamless integration provides smooth data connectivity. We provide actionable insights, alerts, and interactive dashboards that summarize trends, recharge estimates, and customized reports to support informed decision making. The app supports multilingual access with voice updates and offline SMS alerts for inclusive usability. We have designed our app in a way that it can be integrated with existing government program Atal Bhujal Yojana for faster and larger adoption. We are working on the accuracy and interactive user face of our app. We see it as an opportunity to create impact for farmers, researchers, policymakers and citizens.
And viability of our application for future users, and we have named our application as Jaldhara. Thank you.